How to get Spotify code. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get a Spotify code, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to head into the Spotify app, and then when you're on the Spotify app, then you will need to find a song. I'm going to choose this song right here. So what I will need to do now is to click on the song so it starts playing. And then I need to click right here to get the song up on my screen. When I'm in here, I will need to click on these three dots. Then I'm going to scroll down until I see where it says share. And that is exactly where we need to click. Now in here, we need to click where it says copy link. After that is done, then we need to go into Google and search for Spotify codes, and then choose this search result right here. So in here, just simply paste the link that you just copied from the Spotify app, and then just click on Get Spotify Code. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.